All right, guys. What I told morning around 9:35, and we are looking for buy after breaking this level 42685, and we are looking for short after breaking this level, or we can if price sustain below this level around 42,404. So that was our range, but whole day price was in between this range. So here I can see 4 to 42404, that was downside, and upper side around 42685. So whole day price was in between this range, so though there was no trade opportunity today. So we haven't taken any position today. So let me explain why. Okay. So first here you can see price was in a downtrend. Let me explain. Clear downtrend. According to the price action method, pull back, goes up, pull back. So in this area, some smart money pull back the market. Again, some smart money was there, and pull back the market here, and another smart money pull back to this level. So that is why after that price given a pullback and goes up there. So here I can see this smart guy still alive in this area, right? They're still alive. So that is why we are not looking for buy in this area. So if price sustain here, so definitely this guy will die. But he is still alive now. Again, price pushed down to this level. So here I can see that was the opening point and the price was sustaining above this area, but price not able to break this area because who people are still alive in this area. So that is why we are not looking for buy, because who people pull back to this level, so that guy is still alive. So we was looking for buy if price break, and if this position become like in the money, so definitely they will close the position. But initially you can see price this guy not able to close this position, still holding their position. That is why we are not looking for short in this area. All right. So later here I can see some bullish confirmation are forming, but I was not interested. But here I can see very interesting pattern are forming. So here I can see left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder. So we are expecting if price break this level, so it will continue toward the upside. So they are forming head and shoulder pattern in a 15 minutes. If you now see according to price action method, let me show you. First weekly time frame. So according to weekly time frame, price are creating higher high and the higher high, low and the higher low. All right, this is the weekly time frame. So next week, uh, what going to take where we are going to take position exactly. So let me show you in a daily time frame. In a daily time frame, they are forming very interesting. So now you can see daily time frame, they are creating lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. But today they form higher high and higher low. So that was low, and they form create a new high. So means we are looking for buy. So tomorrow we are focusing on a buy side only. Means if price goes up, pull back, we'll buy, capture the move before run toward the upside. Price goes up, just a minute. Price goes up, pull back, we'll catch the move. Goes up, pull back, we catch the move. Goes up, pull back, we'll catch the move. So means we are going to take only buy position tomorrow. So now question is that if price open a gap down, or gap down, so means if price not able to break this lower point, let me show you this lower point. So we will looking for buy. So suppose open somewhere there, we are looking for buy after giving a pullback. All right, this is buy, 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 and the price open a gap down, price goes up, pullback goes up, pullback goes up. That is the buy opportunity. If price break this lower point, so we'll change the direction. All right, if price break 4295 level, so we'll be bearish. So if price break this level, so we'll be bearish. So in that case, we will use price action method. If price pull back, we'll short it. Price goes little bit, or you can say pull back, so we'll short somewhere there. So that will be our trading strategy. So if price open the gap up, we'll wait for a pullback, so we'll catch the market. So we'll see the market activity in this area after giving a pullback in a small time frame. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving your valuable time.